Hello everyone. In this video, I'm going to show you the typography of classes available in the Bootstrap. Means how to work with the headings, how to work with the paragraph, and how to work with the different lists. So let's start. So the first step is please import all the starter related files into the Visual Studio. I'm about to show you. I'm just dragging and dropping in the Visual Studio. Now all my examples are available here. All the starting code available here. So click on the typographic example here. Now we have the couple of basic code is available. Now we want to style these elements or these HTML logic by using the Bootstrap provided classes. So in order to verify again every time we need to click and open with the Firefox browser instead of I'm go live. Now automatically this content is available in the browser. So whenever you modify any content here, the corresponding content will be load to your browser automatically. That is the beauty of this live server. Okay, then let's start, sir. I guess you can easily understand what I'm saying right now. So let's start, sir. So right now, in order to get the user attention in the HTML programming, we usually create the headings. So what are the headings are available? Headings related elements are available. H1 to H6. Okay. Sir, I understand what is the importance of H1 to H6. Now, sir, I want the same H1 to H6 styles for other elements. For other elements. So we need to write the code, but in the Bootstrap, we have the predefined classes. For your understanding, observe class equal to H1. Save it. Now automatically the H1 this content is appearing with what style, sir? H1 style. So you can see the beauty here. So right now the content with what style it is appearing, sir? H1 style. How it is possible? By providing the class equal to H1. Likewise, you can use H1 to H6 classes for any element. So right now here you can observe class equal to H6. Now I am applying the style. Now the content is string. Suppose if we say H2. So you can understand here right now for this element or for this element content, what style is applying, sir? H2. So likewise, you can have the H1, H6 classes and you can apply in your HTML content. Next one. Sir, I am not satisfied with by default HTML provided H1 tags. I want extra. I want extra height and width. How it is possible? Very simple. We have display classes. So observe display 1. So likewise, I have display 1 to 6 classes. Let us see the output. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. See, sir? Comparatively, you can see this is a HTML provided H1 to H6 style. This one is provided by our Bootstrap. This one is provided by our Bootstrap. Obviously, this one have more height and more prominent look comparatively default heading style provided by HTML. So based on your requirement, you can use different things. Now I'm able to understand H1, H2, H1 to H6 classes and display 1 to display 6 classes. Sir, uh, next step. Sir, how to style the paragraph related classes are available. So right now the paragraph related one, I want a distinct look for the my paragraph. You can use a class equal to lead. Now you can see the paragraph look automatically it is changed itself. So for your understanding, I'm removing that. Now this is a general text display. I want some unique style. So this is what we call it as what lead paragraph means by using a special class for distinctive look. So this is the way we are going to style the paragraph in the Bootstrap. Sir, I understand about that. What is the next one? So in general, in the applications, we use some codes for better view in our application. Like observe here, sir. For this one, I will use a black code. So class equal to block code and as well as observe class black code footer. See, sir. Right now, the look automatically changed, sir, with all the necessary styling. So right now, so and so saying by so and so person, or sometimes the user testimonials like awesome web application. Likewise, if you want to display the user testimonials or feedback in your application, we use this kind of structure. So at the time we are going to use what's a block quotes. So what are the styles we are having? Block quotes content will be there as well as the footer will be there. The styling automatically provided by the Bootstrap. So this is about the block quotes. Next one. Sir, I have the lists. Sir, what are the styles provided for this one? There are so many, but observe class equal to list hyphen unstyled. See, sir, automatically it gone. So all the style related one is gone. And in the same way, sir, I want horizontal look for my list. So what is the class is available? Class list hyphen inline, as well as for each and every item we need to configure list hyphen inline hyphen item. So likewise, we need to apply this style for each and every item in our list. So let me save this one. Now you can see our list items are displaying in what's it? Inline or horizontally. In the same line, it is displaying that. So these are the things are available under typography section. Now let us meet in the next lesson. Thank you.